You can actually use books to teach online classes or use the content from books to teach online classes. And here's how I would do it. I would take the content of a book and I would turn it into an outline and fill in the outline by creating a PowerPoint presentation that contains some of that information. Along the way, you want to make it yours as much as possible. So you want to add your own experiences and your own teachings into your online course. But you could definitely use an existing book and take some of that content and then make it your own. That's the important part. You don't want to just strictly copy something, but you want to make it your own with your own experiences, with your own stories, and then put that into a PowerPoint presentation and start recording, and there you have an online course. In fact, you can do this with your own books, and conversely, you can do the opposite. Here's what I've done. I've taken my online courses and turned them into books. So what you do is you create an online course, you record the course, then you get the course transcribed, and now you have the content for a book. If you've done a good job with the course, it's going to flow from concept to concept to concept. Now what you can do is take that transcript, edit it so it sounds and reads like a book, and turn it into a Kindle book and a CreateSpace book. I've turned 14 of my courses into Kindle books that are available on the Amazon website. So you can do it either way, and it works either way, and that's a great question. So I look forward to seeing you on another video.